Morning, everyone. Just thought I would chat you up, do another thoughtful Thursday today. Beautiful Thursday. And today's is about eating the elephant. That might sound a little weird, but just want to show you a little bit out here. One of the things that we've got to do while we're out here, and a lot of you are going to know this already, is take care of the crap, right? Cleaning out pens, shoveling manure. It may not be everybody's favorite part or anything like that, but if you get it done, then you feel better about yourself, right? You feel better. You feel like you've already accomplished that piece that you don't want to do today, and once it's done, you feel like you can conquer the world. So have a thought on that today. Think about what you have to do today that is your elephant for the day. See if you can get it done early. You'll feel better about yourself and you'll be able to accomplish more today. Have a great one. It's a beautiful day.